this is day 2 of New York, but the funniest thing is that yesterday I didn't even do any commentary, but I'll try to do more today. Keyword is try. So I already had breakfast. Right now I'm in the Gap right next to the ground area. Pretty sure we're gonna go Statue of Liberty, Chinatown, Wall Street, and then go over to the 9/11 Memorial. Well, this is recording. Yeah, we got one on the front right there. You got this one, you got me. All recording. Sir, no pictures of me. Oh, sorry. No pictures of me, sir. That's $20. Wait. Keep recording. Alright, so we just missed the ferry. It's literally leaving right now. But whatever. Camera number 2. What's up, everybody? Okay. It's right there. Chinatown. You ever had pork belly? Whole ass belly. Holy shit! That's very good. Got popcorn chicken. I mean, you know why we call it 𝗧𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗃? Because they probably made it in blue chicken flour. Boys, Mikey, David. And I was a little concerned about not having friends in New York, but I got them right here. I just met this guy like yesterday. But shoot, it's just a weird thing about being on the internet. Talk a long time. It's almost like we've known each other for a long time, so it's kind of fun. Got the curry. Spicy. Yeah, you got the spicy one. Mikey, you got it. You got it. No, I don't. You got it. It's kind of hard recording at night, especially when the fact that you need a lot of light to get all the frames you want, because right now I'm taking videos and I'm just it's not exactly great. But right now we're actually right street down from the World Trade Center Memorial. I gotta cross the damn street. Hold on. Just finished shooting a time lapse and oh my god, that took forever. But yeah, 10 seconds on a time lapse, that took forever. But right now I'm inside the World Trade Center, the fishbone looking thing. I don't know what the hell to call it. But oh my god, it's crazy. It's crazy big in here. Super white. Crazy. My hair's messed up. I really don't like that. But you got a whole bunch of other stuff inside here. It's basically a mall. So we came here a little late, so what we're going to do. I'll probably come here tomorrow, earlier on the trip. This time, I got a pepperoni pizza instead of Sicilian, because last time I got Sicilian yesterday. Can't say I was a fan of it, but this one's better. Sure, pretty good. Oh shit, there's something over there. Gotta like that. But where I'm at has actually been pretty fun. But I'm gonna go to Boston tomorrow morning. I heard it's gonna be colder, but whatever. I kind of knew what I was getting into, but at the same time, it's gonna be fucking cold. I think I might get another pizza. It's pretty damn cold. So I think it's pretty cool that like right now, actually in a kind of like a dining area, but this is actually outside, in like a parking stall kind of area. So right there, there's a car. But they repurposed this like area for dining, which is actually pretty cool.